In this video, I will show you how to redirect your domain from HTTP to HTTPS in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. In this page, we need to scroll down to redirect domain section. Next, we need to click the Add Domain link. Now to have two fields. In the first field, we need to enter only the domain. And in the second field, we need to enter the domain name with the full HTTPS, and the 2/ before the domain. And finally, we need to click the tick mark to save and update the redirect domain in Namecheap account. And we are done redirecting the domain without HTTPS to the same domain name with HTTPS prefix. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if the video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when I add more content.